Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Range Rover Evoque. It's got a lovely specification. It's finished in gleaming black. Really lovely condition. Alloys are lovely. Rear privacy glass. Front and park distance control. Twin exhausts. Absolutely stunning condition in this sunny weather. It's got an electric tailgate. Boots all in lovely condition, and we've got the parcel shelf. Full leather interior, all in lovely condition. Electric memory seats. Electric windows, Meridian sound system. Just start the car up. It's only done 60,238 miles. Nice low mileage example. Cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift on the gearbox. Let's just shut the door. Got satellite navigation, reverse parks camera and sensors, back to navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, heated seats, climate control, different driving modes. Comes with 2 keys. It's just been serviced, just been MOT'd. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.